What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's tutorial on how to buy the GHST token, also known as the Aavegotchi token on Coinbase. So for the first step you will need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one yet, definitely sign up through the link in the description and you will get 10 euros of Bitcoin for free. For the next step we will need to go to our account and then you will arrive at this homepage. After that, select the search bar right on top and type in GHST, and there you will see the coin we are looking for. Select it. Now you will need to decide how much you would like to spend on this order. Let's say 1000 euros, and here you can see the amount of coins we are receiving. After that you can select your preferred payment method. As you can see, I'm using my credit card, but you can easily select another one or add a new payment method over here. Go back to the overview and review your order. If you have done this, I will give you guys a very useful tip. Like, if you would like to save yourself a lot of money on a trade, then definitely use Coinbase One. It's free for 7 days. After that you will pay 25 euros a month. But as you can see on this order, I am already saving myself 38 euros on transaction fees I'm paying normally. So try that out and save yourself a lot of money. And once you have decided to buy these coins, click on buy now and they will be automatically added to my assets on the left side. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!